Hi, welcome. This is Lily. Today I'm going to be unboxing Onoxa products. Now, Onoxa is a private label skincare company, and they actually manufacture, they bottle, and they design labels for your products. Basically, what private label means is that all you do is stamp your label on the product and you market the product and you sell it for a profit. If you are not familiar with Onoxa, as it says on their website, it is the first ever online platform for custom branded beauty products. You can create your own private label skincare line with this company. Just as a heads up, this video is in no way sponsored by Onoxa. I bought these products at my own risk with my own money, so this is going to be an honest first impression of the products. This is how they send it to you with the label on this side, and on here it says flip me over. So you're going to flip the box over, and they have this little sticker here that says consider this your ribbon cutting ceremony, and you just cut it right here, and I think that's actually pretty cute. So let's go ahead and open this box, and as you can see, as soon as you open it, your products are displayed. So yes, they actually come with these little information cards. These have my own little logos on them. This is my logo. So that's my logo with the little heart. It says Beverly Lee Naturals, which is actually the name of my company. So I actually designed this logo on my own. So with Onoxa, all I had to do was pick the products that I wanted in my sample kit, and I uploaded my own logo, and I let them know what color I wanted my labels to be. Now, this is actually my brand color that I already use for my own products, and if you're not familiar with what I offer for my skincare line, it's beverlylee.com, BEVELEELEE.com. First impression when I opened the box, it's definitely what I expected because I knew my logo was going to be on there. I wasn't sure if they were going to get the color right, but it is. And to be honest with you, it's really pretty, and it looks very elegant. It looks like high quality. So according to their website, they have the industry's lowest minimum order quantity. They have free label design services. You receive custom branded product guides and quick turnaround time. There's no contract or commitment. Now, as far as the turnaround time, let's get right into that. For starters, I know that I do have my own line, my own skincare line. The reason why I wanted to try Onoxa is because they advertised it as all natural vegan product, and honestly I saw it all over my Instagram and Facebook. I guess their ads were tailored to me, so I had to check it out. I ordered my package on June 22nd, and I did not receive my package until July 28th. So that's about a month and 1 week that I had to wait for my package. Now, they did have a disclaimer on the website that said that it would take 14 days for you to even receive your package, or for you to receive a tracking number due to COVID-19. But a little bit over a month is definitely quite excessive. But I do understand, because of the coronavirus and everything else that's going on, it's understandable, and also they may have had a lot of orders. So hopefully by now they got that in order, and if you decide to purchase from them, you might receive the products a little bit quicker. Now let's get into how much I paid for this sample kit from Onoxa. The sample kit with 4 products is $49.95. I paid $49.95 plus $10 and some change for shipping. I also paid $4 for these info cards, which give you the formula, which are the ingredients. They give you directions and a little bit more of information, and it all came out to be $68.64. That's what I paid in total for these 4 products and the info cards. Let's go over each product that I received in my sample kit. This little baby right here, Perfect 10 Oil Cleanser, which is basically an oil cleanser, and it includes all plant oils. So as far as this particular product, I like it because it's basically just made with natural oils. There's no additives or any type of fragrance, no colorants. This is definitely considered a vegan product, and this is something that I would buy myself. Keep in mind that this is made with all natural plant oils that you actually can purchase on your own and make yourself. Now the next product that we have here is the Vitamin C CC Serum, which is a serum made with vitamin C and citrus stem cells along with other ingredients. And this is how it looks. This is how it looks. I believe that this is one of their popular products, the serum, and it looks really pretty as far as what I'm looking at now. Now the thing with these labels that I do like about the labels is that there is no other information besides your own. So basically it's your logo, it's your design. It actually also includes distribution information. So for mine it says distributed by Beverly Hills Naturals. It has my city, my state, zip code, my website, and my business email. It also has a disclaimer. It says for external use only, blah blah blah. It has directions on the label and the ingredients, and it says made in the US. That's all that's included in these labels. So as far as that, that's perfect because you can't tell that this is a private label product. And with the sample kit, you get their generic name as far as the product name, but you can actually customize that as your own whenever you do actually buy products to sell. My other product that I received is a Fresh Tea Face Mist, and this is basically a toner. Yes, so this toner is made with green and white tea with fruit extracts. So the next product in my sample kit is this hydrating face moisturizer, which is made with aloe, chamomile, and hyaluronic acid. And that's definitely a hot ingredient right now. Hyaluronic acid is definitely hot right now for skincare products. I'm actually very excited to use this hydrating face moisturizer. And with your sample kit, they also include a coupon code where you can save 25% off your next order. Now let's get into if I would actually buy these products to sell as my own. There is only one answer, and that is no, I would not. And my personal reasons are because I do make my own products and because of the pricing. So they have a low minimum order quantity, but you have to factor in how much you have to sell your products for. Are people going to be able to afford these products from you? Because you have to be able to make a profit. Now if Onoxa has these products priced high for you, imagine how much you actually have to sell the products for in order to make a profit. So that's definitely something that you should consider. So if you're thinking about these Onoxa products or any other private label, some things that you should definitely consider is price, order quantity minimums, lead times, how long it's going to take for you to receive these products. Another route that you can take is make your own products. Find your own containers and make your own labels. That is the easiest thing to do in my opinion, besides spending so much money on private label skincare products that are going to take so long, which in the end is going to make it unreliable, and your customers are going to be left asking where their products are. So that's definitely something that you should consider. But as far as these products, they are beautiful and they are very aesthetically pleasing, and I'm going to use these products till they are very empty because I'm very excited to use them, and I spent almost $70. So yes, I'm going to use these products, and I would recommend for you to buy them perhaps from someone But as your own skincare, I would definitely recommend that you look around or educate yourself to make your own products, market your own products, and sell your own products. That's pretty much it for my unboxing of Onoxa and also my first impression with these products. If you like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below if you have any questions or concerns, and most important, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye!